What I love about this guacamole recipe is not only is it nice and creamy, but it has tons of texture to it. Dip it with tortilla chips, or if you want to do a no carb option, you can serve it with crudité, such as carrot sticks, jicama sticks, bell pepper sticks. So start off with 4 ripened avocados that you're going to want to smash together. You can make it as creamy as you want or as chunky as you want. The option is yours. Then chop up a 1/4 cup of onions, which is equivalent to 1/4 of an onion. Add it to your avocado mix. I use half a jalapeno, so depending on your spice level, if you like it spicy, then keep the seeds in. But if you don't like it spicy, then remove all the seeds. Then chop your jalapeno together, add it to your avocado mix. Add the zest of half a lime. This gives it a nice citrusy flavor to the guacamole. Then juice an entire lime. Add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt along with a pinch of black pepper. Chop 1 tomato and add it to the avocado mix. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. Mix everything together and then you are ready to serve. I love eating it with carrot sticks because it gives a nice balance of creaminess and crunchiness.